Hi everyone, welcome back. If you do not know, my name is Devon. Here on my channel I cover all things beauty. That includes makeup, fragrance, and designing here and there. If you think that is something you'll be interested in, then I hope you stay and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you're notified every week when I upload. And in today's video, you guys, I'm doing another handbag unboxing. So if you guys are interested and want to hear my thoughts on this bag and this company, then just keep watching. So as I have stated in my previous video, I know that this video is not going to get a lot of views, as well as I know this is not going to be for everyone. This is for people who kind of want to ball on a budget. Like you want the look without spending the price tag. And honestly, from the chaos with the whole Dior spending $57 on a bag and then charging $4,000+, do what you will with that information. That's none of my business, but spend what you want on what you like or whatever. I used to be against this type of stuff, honestly, but then the prices kind of skyrocketed, and then a lot of the materials are not as good as they used to be. So it's kind of like take with that information as you will as well. But anyways, so we have another bag unboxing today. All of the information linked below so you guys can check this bag out, or this site if you are interested. If this video is not for you, please go ahead and just skip on to another video. These videos I do, you know, every now and again. It's a fun weekend video, and I enjoy it. So I'm going ahead and put the company's name and everything, like I said, down below. So this is the box. So as you can tell, this is another Louis Vuitton unboxing. This is the box. It's actually a pretty decent box. It did get a little bit damaged in shipping. It was a box inside of a box, but the way shipping is lately, it is magnetic. Now this color is definitely off. It's definitely really bright, but yeah, it's a magnetic box. I'm going ahead and open it up. Inside it comes with a dust bag, and this is actually a decent quality dust bag compared to some other bags that I have seen. The quality on the dust bag is actually decent. Do I care about that? Not really, because I mean, I'm not going to be using the bag. Also came wrapped up with ribbon. It has some paperwork for it. It also has a bag, like if you were gifting this to someone. It also has a lock and key. So it has that. Really been wanting, but it was just out of stock for a long time, and then it came back in stock at a ridiculous price. Right, so we're gonna go ahead and show you the bag now. I'm trying to fix it. This is a Speedy, and I do actually have a Speedy. I should have got it out the closet to compare the two, but maybe in a different video. This is a Speedy 20, and it's the bandolier. Now this is the one with the new thick strap. I don't know the name of this strap. I forgot what it's called, but this strap is not for everyone. Everyone is not going to enjoy this very thick, bulky strap. They do have it in a couple colors. The actual real strap now comes just like this. They brought this bag out a couple years ago, and it had like one strap and it wasn't adjustable, but they made this one adjustable. I personally would have been okay with just the very thin Louis Vuitton vachetta strap, but I'm going to actually take this off. Let me take this off so I can talk to you guys and show you the bag up close. So this is the bag up close. The bag looks really good. It looks really good. The only thing with these bags is that I noticed the hardware is a little bit more shiny than I would like. It's a little bit more shinier than, you know, an actual real Louis Vuitton, but it has all of the same, can you see that? I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it. All of the same qualities that the real Louis Vuitton does. This bag didn't have a smell. My very first bag unboxing for these type of bags, it had a smell. It had that smell. This one doesn't have one. This one doesn't have one. Yeah, This is beautiful. This is such a cute bag, and it can hold so much stuff. I haven't put anything in here yet. It does have a pocket right here, but this is really, really nice. So actually what I'm going to do, my current bag that I'm using is my Prada re-edition. I did a video on that. So I'm going to take out a bunch of the stuff that's in here and pop it in here. So one of the first things that I have in here is Kleenex. I try to keep Kleenex now with me all the time. I also have some toilet seat covers because sometimes you go in those bathrooms and they don't have them, and public bathrooms give me the icks as anyway, but if I have to go or my daughter has to go, we have to have those. I do have my Louis Vuitton card holder in here. This is authentic, this is real. A pack of extra gum. I have one of my mirrors in here, eyeglass wire here. I actually have my Prada the little thing that goes on the strap. I keep my change in here or my loose money in here sometimes, so I'm gonna put this in here as well because I like to keep my change in here. I have this Sephora card holder. This actually keeps all of my gift cards and things of that nature in here, so I like to keep that in here. I have a pen. I used to not keep pens in there, but I keep pens in there. I have my Sephora blotting papers in here. I have, this is the Rim Beauty lip gloss. My fragrance of the day, which is the Bath and Body Works Summer Melody fragrance pen. I keep that in here. I also have a little mini L'Occitane lotion. I have some toothpicks. I need to find somewhere to put these little toothpicks because I don't like keeping them in my bag, but I'll put that in it. But look, I put all of that in here and it's plenty of space in here, y'all. I got a little weight to it with all of this stuff in here, but I don't care. It's super, super adorable. It does have the little zippers on the side so you can zip it together. They zip perfectly with no problems. And then it's like that, so you can carry it like this. Now I got this one because I was like, you know what, I'm probably going to use the strap. I don't know that I'm going to use this strap because I am a crossbody girl. I have always been a crossbody girl, but lately I have not been wanting to wear things crossbody. It actually hits me perfect because I did adjust the strap. It hits me right at my hip, so it's not too long. Like I said, it's adjustable strap. It actually looks really cute as a crossbody. I just haven't worn it as one, but I'm going to love wearing this as like a night out bag because I've always wanted, we have the Speedy 35. It's huge. It is huge. Into the Speedy at the time, but it's just too big. I've always wanted a 20 or a 25, and even the 25 is pushing it on too big for the look that I'm going for. I thought this was a perfect size bag. The material looks really, really nice. I know on camera it's probably looking a little, I don't know, weird, but what I've noticed is the fascetta on Louis Vuitton bags now is really, really bright like this. I would love for it to kind of darken up a little bit. I like the dark look of the vachetta when it darkens. This bag is beautiful, you guys. It's so, so pretty. Thank you guys so much to the company who sent me this bag. Again, I will have everything linked below if you are interested. They have some really, really beautiful, amazing pieces at a phenomenal price. And honestly, this is a good way to try out bags that you're not familiar with without breaking the bank. If I'm unsure if this bag is too small or too big for the things that I want to put in here, or if it's too heavy, or if it's too bulky, or if it's just not like the way that I want it to look, then I've wasted $2,000, because I think this bag retail is $2,000 and some change. I don't know. But yeah, it's a really, really beautiful bag. I am so appreciative for them for sending it to me. Again, I'm aware that it's not for everyone, okay? So don't come for me in the comments, because I'll block you. We don't have time for that. We don't have time for negativity. There's enough BS going on in this world. The bag it shouldn't matter. Like, either spend your money how you want to spend your money or don't. But yeah, that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye.